Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare the Tesla Cybertruck versus the Supra MK4. We'll dive into what makes each vehicle stand out, from their distinct designs to their impressive capabilities. Get ready to explore the raw power of the Supra and the futuristic innovation of the Cybertruck. This comparison will help you understand which vehicle might better suit your needs and driving style. When it comes to performance, these two are vastly different. The Cybertruck can hit 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds, showcasing its electric torque. Meanwhile, the Supra MK4, with its 3.0-liter twin-turbo engine, delivers 320 horsepower for a thrilling ride. Both offer incredible speed, but with very different driving sensations. Visually, these vehicles couldn't be more distinct. The Cybertruck's stainless steel exoskeleton and angular lines give it a truly futuristic look, complete with a 6.5-foot bed. The Supra MK4, however, boasts a timeless, aerodynamic sports car design that's instantly recognizable. For utility, the Cybertruck shines with an impressive 11,000 pounds of towing capacity, making it incredibly versatile. The driving experience is where personal preference truly comes into play. The Cybertruck offers a smooth, modern ride with its all-wheel drive and adaptive air suspension, perfect for various terrains. The Supra MK4, on the other hand, provides a more visceral, engaging rear-wheel drive sports car feel, connecting you directly to the road. Both offer unique thrills, catering to different drivers. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.